Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding about SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and DAX, and also SQL Server integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop where we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. So if you look at here, so we have the category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. For that, just click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and facts. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on the product key, I have enabled the relationship between the product table and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table means product table to the internet sales. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and fact tables. So we'll try to understand different options that are available, like how to detect automatic relationship or how to create manually. So we'll try to explore all the options that are available in the Power BI desktop in the upcoming videos. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that we have three tables. So this is the region and total sales. So here we have the region wise total sales. Each region wise we have the total sales. In this table we have the month wise total sales. In this table we have the month year wise total sales. So here the requirement is very simple. I want to sort the data. Okay, so if you look at here, we have the month year and total sales. Each month year wise, so we have the total sales. But if you look at here, the month year is not sorting in properly. Okay, it's not sorting in properly. April 2002, April 2003, April 2004. So likewise we have, it's not in a sorting order like April, May, June, July, like that. So sometimes whenever you create a month year so column, so it's not sorting by default. We need to do that. So for that I have created a separate column. So I'll try to show that. I'm just going the date table. So here, so I have created this column. Based on this column, I will try to sort this month year column. Okay, based on this column, I will try to sort this column. So I'll try to show that is also. So currently it's not sorting, so I'll try to sort it. So go to the data, date, so click on month year, go to the sorting, just click on year month sorting. So now it will work. It's working on it. Now we can see that we have July. So basically in our data model we have the sales from the July month only. Now we can see that July, August, see 2001 only. July, August, September, October, November, December, again January to December, January to December, again January to December. So it's sorting properly. Okay, so month year, so it's working fine as we expected. It's working fine. Now in this case, so month name, so in this table we have the month name, and with respect to each month wise we have the total sales. Okay, in April month, August month, December month. So it is sorting based on the alphabetical order. Yeah, it's sorting based on the alphabetical order A to Z. But so we want to display from January to December likewise. So we'll try to do this also. Click on month name, so go to the sorting. So here based on the month number I'm trying to sort this month name column. Based on the month number I'm trying to sort the month name column. So it's working on. Now we can see that we have the month names January, February, March, April. So it's sorting properly, right? So this is also working fine. So in this case, so basically, so in region, I want to sort whether it is ascending order, descending order, or based on the total sales. Like you want to see the more number of total sales in first order or less number of sales. Based on that we can do it. But if you want to do the custom sorting, for example, so here we have the starting France, after that Germany, Australia. Like this is the customs sorting. Sorry for the sorting. So how to do that? Okay, usually we can sort based on the A to Z or Z to A, but here we are doing the custom sorting. So for that I have created a separate table. I'll try to show that. So go to the data model. Here we can see that region order. So now we can see that. So here, so I have created a separate table. So France 1, Germany 2, Australia 3, United States 4, Canada 5, United Kingdom 6. So I'm just manually giving the number. So based on this number I'm sorting the data here. So click on here. Now you can see the region. Okay, so likewise I'm sorting. So we can do the custom sorting also. Okay, likewise, so based on that we can do it. So that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.